To access a video transcript, start by opening your internet browser and navigating to YouTube. Select the desired video from the platform. Next, open a new tab and visit the website https://AI tools YouTube transcript generator. Once there, copy the link of the YouTube video you've chosen, switch back to the other tab, and paste the link into the provided field. Click the Generate Script button to obtain the transcript of the selected video. Now, you have the complete written content of the video at your disposal.